Reflection of the day, a mind in the present. Clear out everything that's spinning in your head. A mind focused on the present is a mind free of clutter. Often our thoughts get tangled in nets of past worries or future anxieties, accumulating clutter and stress that cloud our clarity and inner peace. Today, I invite you to practice mindfulness. With each breath, let go of a worry. With each exhalation, release a fear. Allow your awareness to settle in the here and now, where you can truly experience life. It is not in the memories of yesterday or the anticipations of tomorrow where we find serenity, but in the full acceptance of the present moment. Remember, the past is gone and the future has not yet arrived. We only have this moment. By fully living each second, we not only clear our minds of distractions, but also open up space for gratitude and joy to flourish. Every day is a new opportunity to cleanse our minds and refocus on what truly matters. Starting each morning with a clear mind is like opening a window to a day full of possibilities and beauty. Live today with a clear mind and an open heart, and watch how your world changes. Have a great day,